Yeah, all our life is very easy. I'm thinking to simplify. Welcome to my channel. Because I'm very busy and I have many part-time job to do in order to earn more money. So now today I will trying to do a very fast Portuguese sauce for my fish. Okay, so I cut the ginger, but I only left very little ginger only because I didn't go for market, so busy. And then now we need to cook our ginger first. So continue. So oh sorry. Okay, so after you put the oil, okay, heat out a little bit and take your ginger. So I just spread your gingers here, but my gingers is a little bit too little, okay. So I add in the dry ginger. You can look at I have a dry ginger, means that I don't need to cut into the piece, and easy for me, and then I don't need to worry about the fresh one. I don't have the fresh one, so I keep it some of the dry one, so easy for me to cook. Here I also have the what this is. So here I also have dry garlics and also the dry onions. Okay, I don't have less for my garlic, so I use the dry one, and this one is the dry one. Even though the fresh one is delicious, but save for a lot of time. You don't need to cut into the piece, and faster way to do. So this is my cupboard, and here got a drawer here. Okay, so when I cut into something here I will put inside here, so we'll have more space of it. Okay, so here I'm using the dry one. So I will put more ginger in. To remove the fish smell. Okay, so I put some ginger in, and then still frying, and the dry garlic here. Okay. Okay, so it's a faster way to cook. The taste also not bad. Yes, you go outside, you need to queue for the food as well. Okay, so for this one also less than half an hour. So can see now the time only passed. Okay, on again. Can see that? So usually I use the small fire. Then I put 10 minutes, something like that. I put 20 minutes because later on I got a sauce to cook. When you're prepared and cooking here, you can leave it here and then do some other preparation. And you can have your Portuguese skill pace a faster way and no need to cook yourself and no need to brand yourself. Only 4 ringgit only, Malaysian ringgit. Okay, so you take if you want delicious, for sure whole pack is very nice, but I use half to save some of the money. So this one 4 ringgit Portuguese gear paste. I use this one Malaysia Malacca traditional nyonya flavors. Very delicious. So I add on some of the water of it and I cook it up. Ooh, this smells very nice because it's the pack. You don't need to cook for yourself so fast. So now you can add in your fish. But for me, actually, I will prefer to put some of the salt to wash it to rinse it. So I put quite a lot. Oh, any fish, very delicious. Good fish, expensive fish for sure, will be very nice. This one is good for baby as well, your kids and your baby, so they will be more clever if they eat more fish. Ooh. I like buff them more with the salt. And then you wash it with water. I use a water filter. Ooh. Okay, this one, wash it out so you don't need to salty and healthy, have a healthy life. Okay, done. So prepare for dropping already, wash again. Okay, just one hand. So I put my potato into the drawer here and I take it to my cooking places. So done. And then you put some, this one will be extra water with jom. So actually you can take a spoon and taste the then you add on the flavor that you like. So let's try it. We take a spoon and we try it, the flavor, is it too spicy and suitable for a family or not? Wow. I think I need to add some flavor. I put 1 more tablespoon for the salt and the sugars. One tablespoon of the sugars. Okay. If you think too spicy, you can add 1 more spoon. I don't like so spicy. And then you can add your fish in it and cook 20 minutes, then done. So now add in your fish. Oops. And your another fish. Okay, done. Actually you can put some of the okra there and whatever veggie that you like it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye. And then we cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Okay, oh, so my god. So this one now we check at the time, to be 20 minutes. I will cook 20 minutes. Now can prepare my veggie already. For my veggie, it's very simple. I just wash the just wash the veggie, cut in the small pieces. Until look at here, this one is the avoid the heat, so can protect heat. So you just put all your veggie inside here, and see here, Coco, I got sell this one if you need it, and you can be get from me and I will give you some back. So you just put some hot water in. Then very easy and fast for your life. So you're working and you still can have cooking to do faster and then for healthy. And then cover it with another things, cover anything. So then you can be for 5 minutes or 3 minutes, then you can eat already. And add some flavor that you like, then you can eat.